Digicel Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Digicel plans and services are in the description. Digicel is a telecommunications provider operating in the Caribbean, Central America, and the Pacific, offering mobile, broadband, and digital services. It primarily targets individuals and businesses needing reliable coverage in these regions. Digicel provides prepaid and postpaid plans with competitive data packages, international calling options, and unlimited social media access. The network speed varies by location, but generally supports 4G LTE and, in some areas, 5G. Coverage is strong in urban centers, but may be weaker in remote locations. One key feature is its Digicel Prime bundles, combining data, text, and entertainment apps like DeMusic and Playgo. The My Digicel app simplifies plan management, top-ups, and customer support. Digicel also invests in fiber optic internet, offering home broadband with stable speeds. Business users benefit from tailored solutions, including cloud storage, cybersecurity, and VoIP services. Customer support varies by region. Some users report quick resolutions, while others experience delays. Pricing is competitive but depends on the country, and occasional promotions provide extra value. However, roaming charges can be expensive, so travelers should check rates beforehand. Overall, Digicel is a solid choice for users in its coverage areas, especially those seeking affordable plans with entertainment perks. While network strength may fluctuate in rural areas, its digital services and business solutions make it a strong competitor. If you're considering Digicel, check your local coverage and plan options in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.